Welcome to Beyond Just Money. My name is Samta, and today with us we have the content head of Calcine Pty Limited, Miss Nidhi Sinha, as our guest speaker. So Nidhi, we have seen that cryptocurrencies have gained significant attention, especially during the last 12 months, if I may say. So what are your views on the current crypto market?
Thanks, Samta, for having me on Beyond Just Money. There is certainly a buzz around the cryptocurrency market. Everyone is eyeing the same because of the major price movements that we have seen recently and the news stories around it. Within the crypto market, though, Bitcoin remains the world's largest and most admired. It continues to take the lead still. In fact, if we talk about the last month, Samta, Bitcoin saw yet another record high increase in its market capitalization to approximately $1 trillion. In fact, even over the past 12 months, the Bitcoin price has risen by almost 500%. That was, of course, partially because of the pro-Bitcoin and cryptocurrency statements given by billionaire and Tesla CEO Elon Musk. That, in fact, helped drive Bitcoin to a valuation of about $10 billion. That said, the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum seems pretty high. But Bitcoin is just one part of the overall pie, though it's quite large. Even other cryptocurrencies like, say, Dogecoin have grabbed a lot of attention recently. In fact, Musk, who actually once voted for Dogecoin, now believes that it is currently underestimated. Dogecoin was actually created in 2013, but it found its momentum in June 2019 first. The currency has surged about 600% since January 2021, driving back the interest of people who abandoned it initially. So the overall crypto market is definitely buzzing and investors are eyeing the assets, Samta.
That's right, Nidhi. And if we talk about like from an internet fad to becoming a promising investment option, so cryptocurrency have actually come a very long way. And there were initial doubts surrounding cryptocurrencies have long been snuffed out in the arrival of new entrants like Litecoin, Ethereum, Tron, and internet's latest favorite, Dogecoin, like you mentioned. So which are the top crypto one should look at in 2021, Nidhi?
Right, Samta, like you said, cryptocurrencies have definitely snapped out of their reputation as an internet fad to make a considerable mark on the financial markets as well as on economies. The global neutrality attached to cryptocurrencies actually make them a lucrative investment now. Cryptocurrencies have become popular because of some distinguishing factors, such as absence of decentralization, lesser risk compared to other currencies, and the digital functionality of the currency itself. While Bitcoin, the first and the most popular cryptocurrency, like I mentioned earlier, continues to dominate the industry by holding a 2/3 share of the market, there are many others that you can actually look at and which appear promising in 2021. Some of these are Ripple, Litecoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Coin, Stellar, Chainlink, Zcash, and something called Bitcoin Cash. Though there are many options, I'll take you through the top 6 cryptocurrencies that are worth looking at. The first is Ripple. It is a distinctive currency that is focused on resolving challenges related to international payment transfers. With an increasing dependency on digital T-World and online payments, Ripple is coming up as an alternative to the SWIFT network. Unlike various other currencies, Ripple is popular with banks. Ripple US dollar has generated about 89.43% return over the last 1 year. Then the next in line is Litecoin, which was launched back in 2011 and is based on an open source global payment network that is not controlled by any central authority. The key advantage of this crypto Litecoin is its speed and cost effectiveness when you compare it to Bitcoin. Though this is not one of the best cryptocurrencies around, it has never left the top 10 list since its launch. And 2021 seems to continue the story for this crypto. Litecoin creates new blocks every 2.5 minutes, which is around 4 times faster than Bitcoin. Litecoin US dollar has given a return of approximately 190.80% in the last 1 year. So that is something to think about. The third crypto you can really look at is Ethereum, which is an open source blockchain based platform that focuses on running the programming code of any decentralized application. In addition to its native currency Ether, ETH also supports other crypto platforms. Ethereum is moving to a new network called Proof of Work. This platform will basically allow the ETH network to work with improved speed and far less energy. Hence, it looks quite promising for 2021. The decentralized finance or DeFi is the fastest growing sector in the crypto world. Over the last 1 year, ETH has generated around 564.85% return in dollar terms. That's again quite huge. Next comes a unique proof of stake cryptocurrency called Polkadot. This one is aimed to deliver interoperability between other blockchains. It is a promising third generation cryptocurrency to consider. It was created by one of the co-founders of ATR, uses parachains, which is multiple blockchains that can run parallelly. On the other hand, if you compare it with Bitcoin, Bitcoin has a single growing blockchain that all miners must store. Polkadot US dollar has generated approximately 941.38% return since 20th August 2020. So about 6 months ago, a little more than 6 months ago. To look at is the utility cryptocurrency Binance Coin, which operates as a payment method for the fees related to trading on the Binance exchange. The blockchain of Binance Coin is also the platform on which decentralized exchange of Binance operates. Moreover, Samta, Binance offers a rebate as an incentive for up to 5 years of membership and fee payments. Now, BNB competes with other exchanges for offering solutions to numerous trading infrastructure problems faced by cryptocurrency. It has given a return of 1,135.32% in last 1 year. That's really a huge one. The last in my list of 6 is Stellar, which is an open blockchain network that offers solutions to the enterprise by associating with financial institutions. These are usually for large transactions. Due to Ripple's regulatory issues popping up, Stellar took a fast step to kind of fill the position. In January 2021, after the go-ahead from the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency to use an independent node verification network, Stellar signed a deal with the Ukrainian government to create a national digital currency. Stellar 2 has generated very attractive returns of 545.40% in the last 1 year. So that was a list of the top 6 cryptocurrencies that you can consider. Of course, other than Bitcoin, which remains the largest. But do remember that crypto assets are volatile. So weigh the risks before jumping in to invest in these.
Thank you so much, Nidhi, for telling our listeners in detail about these 6 cryptocurrencies, other than Bitcoin. For our listeners who just joined in, the 6 cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin that one can look into and which are worth looking, as Nidhi mentioned, were Ripple, Litecoin, it was Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Coin, and Stellar. So these were Nidhi's top 6 cryptocurrencies that one can look at apart from Bitcoin. And yes, like Nidhi said, since the market is extremely volatile, so we need to, and you as listeners who plan to invest in crypto need to weigh the risks before jumping to invest in crypto. So thank you, Nidhi, for sharing your insights and with us and our listeners. And to our listeners who want to listen to this amazing podcast, Again, please log on to our website, which is calkinemedia.com, or you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos on our YouTube channel as well. So we will see you soon with yet another insightful episode of Beyond Just Money. Until then, as we always say, stay apprised and invest wise with Calkine, your best guide.